If you are looking for a quick and easy dinner that comes together in half an hour or less, this is the recipe for you. Geschnetzeltes. Originally a Swiss recipe using veal. Since veal was and is rather expensive, over the years people started using different meats. Today I'm using chicken breast, but feel free to use whatever meat you have in the fridge that needs to go. I'm also gonna make the side that usually comes with this recipe, and that's Rösti, better known as hash browns. This is the original version of a hash brown, no egg, no flour. It's just the potatoes and a little bit of salt and that's it. First thing is I slice the meat into strips. Next, cut your mushrooms. I'm going for a little bit chunkier slices. The parsley, I like to pull off the leaves because this dish doesn't cook long enough to cook down the stems. So use this in your stock pot or give it to your pet rabbit if you have one. The only thing you really should chop finely is the parsley. Nobody wants big chunks of parsley. Rösti are the original hash brown. I'm adding a little bit of potato starch since potatoes in the US are different types. If you're using a russet potato, which is a very starchy potato, the final product will most likely fall apart because they're getting too soft. If you're using waxy potatoes as I do, then you're getting a nice firm hash brown, but it doesn't stick as well together because they have too little starch in the US. That's why I'm just substituting a little bit of potato starch into them, so I get the starch content of the potato you'd usually use for this recipe. Grate your potatoes on the coarse side of a box grater. Watch your fingers. The recipe does not include fingers. Bench scraper, really helpful tool for this. To this we add a good amount of salt, pretty much the amount of salt you would want in the final product. And then mix this through. Your hands are the best tool for this. Now it's time to let these sit for like 10 minutes or so, because the salt will drain out some of the water and you want these guys as dry as possible. Otherwise you're just gonna steam them in your pan. Press out as much water as you can. See what the salt did? It extracted a lot of water out of it. And while we're all looking forward to fresh hash browns, subscribe and like. It really helps my channel. We're starting with the hash browns because they're going to take the longest to cook. While the hash browns are cooking, we heat another pan and add some clarified butter. First we're going to cook our chicken. Toss it in and spread it out. You can see the meat's coming along. So now it's time to turn it over. This is enough color on the chicken. Extract the chicken to a plate. You can use a rotisserie chicken or a leftover turkey from your Christmas dinner if you want to do that. In that same pan, add some more clarified butter. Toss in your mushrooms. Add a pinch of salt. And add the onions. This is looking good. Time for the garlic and the parsley. Quick interruption. It's time to flip over the Rösti. Look. Now use a little shot of white wine to deglaze the pan. Cook out the alcohol for a minute. Now go up with the heat a little bit and add some heavy cream. Once the sauce has reduced down to a consistency like this, where you can actually see the bottom, add back your chicken, including all the juices. And if you're using pre-cooked chicken like a rotisserie chicken, this would be the point to add it and just heat it through. We'll need a little bit more cream here. Time to adjust seasoning, a little bit of salt, and a few grains of pepper. Perfect.